got flames.
All right. Well, I did not expect we were going to need these gloves as much as we actually do. They're super useful. They were sent to us for us just to try out and found ourselves using them much more than I would have expected. They're heat resistant, good for grilling, working with welding, with TIG welding, MIG welding, torches, oxyacetylene. Rated up to, I believe, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, but I don't think anyone's gonna be getting up that hot. Outside of that, we've the arms, the gloves go halfway up your arm, so it's a lot of coverage. And yeah,